What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jose, Mark 7 GTI, owner of the channel. And I'm just gonna say right now, guys, this video, didn't expect it, just happened. And I'm like, you know what? It's a good video, so let's get it popping. So this is the video you didn't know you needed to see, but here you are watching, because you already know we on that 1, 2, 3. It's not a poem. It is a haiku. It's a little haiku action right there. But all right, guys, I'm done being dumb. So anyway, today's video, guys, we're gonna be in my car. If you guys have been watching the channel, you already know we got that IS38. We got the DSG tune. We got downpipe intercooler intake, 5150 E30 tune. Low 10 seconds, 60 to 130 range is what we're running with in my car, camera car, most videos. If you guys are newer, you probably saw a lot of my videos with my buddy David. I've been doing a lot of ride-alongs with that man. And his car, you guys know it's fast, it's quick. It's got an RX500 turbo. If you don't know what that is, look it up. Chinese turbo, the long and short of it, whatever you say, is hybrid turbo, bigger than an IS38, smaller than an XL. Yeah, somewhere, it's a hybrid, it's fast. Man's got 6-speed manual. I don't even know what clutch. I think it's South Bend, don't know. Just ask him, okay? He'll hit him up right here. Ask the man, I don't know. Anyway, he's tuned on E85, 28 PSI from 5150 as well. So we're out here, you already know. I'm gonna show you guys how much faster this thing is than mine, just so you guys can have a comparison how my car does compared to his. So without further ado, we're about to send it to Mexico, pick it up there. You guys are about to see the runs, including David's, so let's get it. This man's driving the whip.
Honestly, bro, I'm gonna fuck up your DSG, bro.
He is, he doesn't know how to do it, bro.
You got your DSG service done or what, man?
No, 40K miles.
He's gonna miss a.
You got it done at 40,
shift, bro.
Yep. Huh?
He's gonna miss a shift.
How much was it, bro?
Okay.
How much you pay?
I didn't. I got it. It was done before I bought the car. So mine hasn't even been done, bro.
Wait, so yours is built not somewhere,
This guy has a fast car. That's all you need to know.
No, bro. All I did was pay $300 for the tune, and we out here.
Go.
Right, bro, let's see that.
I just don't want to skirt.
You're good, bro. Just treat it like it's yours. Do a 40 roll.
Do a brake boost.
Alright, bro. I got you with the 40. You want a brake boost?
If you don't, how? Let's see it.
I'll try it, man. I'll try it.
There it is. Damn, he's got it. Oh, bro, this shit's so slow. Bro, this shit feels slow.
It's because that's all the people.
Maybe.
It's because my fat ass isn't in bed.
Yeah,
Dude, this shit feels
Yeah,
Oh, look at it.
slow.
Is that a Supra?
Is that a, I think it is a Super, bro. Damn, that's a black one. I wonder what's done.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Holy fuck,
Yeah, did you hear that? It's like,
dude, that's just on colors.
bro, is it 2JZ?
It is.
Dude,
Close
that
it.
definitely.
Check it out. Here.
You gonna get one?
Yeah, dude. Should I upgrade? Mustang. This sounds nice, man. I like this. 10 speed. No, okay. This is nice right here. I want to run this. Oh, Andrew. Okay. 6-speed EcoBoost. I think he's like big turbo, 400-ish, 450 to the wheel. Pretty sick. Definitely want to run with that. And then, what we're really gonna run is this right here.
How can you record my car?
Oh, yeah, I got you. Hold on.
I said don't.
Oh, don't. Okay, fine.
This is the other GTI, bro?
Huh?
The other way one?
All right, we're about to roll out. The leader right here, 612 my garage. And here we are, about to get some claps. That EcoBoost going down, that stage 2 going down, that E85 going down. We're about to get these runs in, boys. I'm gonna mount you guys up. Let it rip. Guys, we're ready to rock and roll. Yo! What the f? I'm heat soaked. Heat soaked. That was a good run. Hot damn. Ready? Damn, he got me. Ready? All right. All right, stage 2 E30. I'm gonna let him get the hit.